Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can do word by word captions in CapCut. So here I've already imported a video with narrations on it, and I want to create captions, but I want to do the word by word caption. So first I'm going to add the caption by clicking on a text and use the auto captions features from CapCut. Here I'm going to just select the sound source from video. Okay, so now you can just click on start and wait for CapCut to generate the auto captions for your videos. Okay, so now as you guys can see here, the caption has been created. Okay, so to make the caption word by word, what you need to do is just click on the captions, one of the captions, and then find animations in the bottom. Click on the captions tab, and you'll easily spot the word by word animation. So just click on that and your captions will be shown word by word like this. So that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.